So what is basically the best VPN to actually watch with Prime Video? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply give you some of my personal 4 of the favorites VPNs that actually work best with Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now there are several VPNs that work well with Amazon Prime Video to help you stream all shows anytime, no matter where you are located. So the very first on the top of the lineup, we have actually a VPN called ExpressVPN. So you want to make sure to first of all download the ExpressVPN. Now this VPN service is known for its fast and reliable connections, making it a great choice for streaming content on Amazon Prime Video, and it also offers servers in over 80 or 90 countries, including several that are optimized for streaming. The next on the lineup is a VPN that we have, and that is called NordVPN. So this VPN is another popular VPN service that works well with Amazon Prime Video. It offers high-speed connections, strong encryption, and a large network of servers in over 60 countries. The third on the lineup is we have actually a VPN called CyberGhost. So you want to type in CYBERGHOST, CyberGhost VPN over here. Now this VPN is all user-friendly VPN service that is great for streaming content on Amazon Prime Video. It offers servers in over 90 countries and its apps are easy to use and configure. Last but not the least on our list today is we have a VPN called Surfshark. So you want to make sure to actually go ahead and then download this VPN from your Play Store, or whether you're on a PC as well, you can simply get this VPN as well. This is a newer VPN service that has quickly become popular for its fast speeds and low prices. It offers servers in over 60 countries and supports unlimited simultaneous connections. But keep in mind, no matter which VPN service you use, be sure to connect to a server in a location where Amazon Prime Video is available to ensure that you can access all of the content you want to watch. And that is it for this video. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.